Hey guys, this is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater. I'm going to be showing you today some of the Wi-Fi gear that we use on a regular basis as a mesh network system for larger homes. This home's about 7,500 square feet. We're using the Luxul 3150, the Epic 3 dual band gigabit router. Inside of here, we got the router itself, and it's got 4 antennas on it. Comes with the power supply and Ethernet cable. And then we're using the XAP1510, 3 of those for our hardwired wireless access points. So what that means is that we're running the Ethernet cables back to our router and hardwiring these on the ceiling so that as the customer roams throughout the home, the signal isn't going to drop off. It'll just seamlessly assist. It'll transfer from one Wi-Fi access point to the other as if it's one giant network. So we're gonna have one access point on the ceiling in this room, one corner of the house. We're gonna have another access point over here on the ceiling in this corner of the home. And then upstairs, we're gonna have 2 more access points. We're gonna have one on the ceiling and the master bath here. And then our last access point will be over here in the theater room. In this attic space back in there so that it's not an eyesore for the theater room. And what I really like about this system is it has a built-in wireless controller on the router. Like I said, we're using the 3150 from Luxul. It makes it super easy for me to take these hardwired access points and pull them right into our mesh network. These are just a couple of my favorite products that we use on a regular basis. Super reliable, small business, great equipment. If you guys have questions, would like to purchase, just shoot us an email or give me a call. Thank you for watching. This is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater.